I will show you how to crochet herringbone double crochet in rounds. So start with a magic ring, wrapping the yarn around your fingers 3 times, go under the first 2, grab the third, pull through. Chain 3, yarn over your crochet hook, pull through. Yarn over your crochet hook, pull through. Yarn over your crochet hook, pull through. This counts as 1 herringbone double crochet. So continue with herringbone double crochets. Yarn over your crochet hook, go inside the ring and pick up the yarn. You have 3 loops on your crochet hook, 1, 2, 3. Take loop number 1 under loop number 2. Yarn over your crochet hook, pull through 1 loop, leaving you with 2. Yarn over your crochet hook, pull through both. Yarn over, go inside, pick up the yarn, 3 loops. Bring first one under the second. Pick up the yarn, pull through 1, pick up the yarn, pull through 2. Close the ring before finishing the round. Finish the round by making a slip stitch in the 3rd loop from the beginning. 1, 2, 3. So go under the 3rd loop. Pick up the yarn, pull through all loops. After you have closed round number 1, we will chain 3. But I will show you the next round, and it's easier if I mark this slip stitch that we just did. So this is the slip stitch that closed round number 1. So I will mark this for you to be able to see it more. So chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and then we will turn our work and we will go from right side to left side. So I will take it from the right side, bring it to the left side. And now we will start with herringbone double crochets, and we always skip the slip stitch that we just did. So I marked the slip stitch here that we just made, so we will skip that one and start in the stitch after. So start in the stitch after, which is this one. In this example, we will have 20 herringbone double crochet after round number 2, but that is just an example. So I have crocheted 18 herringbone double crochets and this first chain of 3, which means I have 19, and on round number 2 I should have 20. So what I need to do is finish off with 1 herringbone double crochet in the next stitch here. And then slip stitch in the 3rd loop. And that slip stitch is the one that we will skip when we chain 3 and turn. And we will skip this and start in this one.